Students, in last class we were studying about AP, coordinate geometry, paraflinear equation and trigonometry. In arithmetic progression, we have to find the formula to find sum to n terms of AP and n term of AP and arithmetic mean. In coordinate geometry, we have to find distance formula, section formula and midpoint formula. And in paraflinear equation in two variables, we have to find the formula for intersecting lines, coincident lines, and in trigonometry, identities, three important identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, and 1 plus cot square equal to cosecant square theta. And also we have to find trigonometric ratio, values of sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, sin 60, cos 60 and tan 60. And next we had learned 1 marks questions. That's 5 questions we had already learned. Now today's class we are continuing this 1 mark question. 6th question, find distance of the point 3 minus 3, 4 from origin. So distance formula, we have to first memorize the distance formula. Distance formula is d equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here points are minus 3, 4, a equal to minus 3, 4, and b is origin means 0, 0. So find distance between 2 points A and B. So d equal to here minus 3 minus 0 square plus 4 minus 0 square, that is minus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, it is 16 plus 9 is 25 equal to 5. So distance of the point minus 3, 4 from origin is 5. Here distance point C is minus 3, 4 and origin is 0, 0. So distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So minus 3 minus 0 and 4 minus 0. 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. Total is square root of 25 is 5. Next, 6th question. Seventh question. What is the value of tan A cot A and cos A secant A? What is the value of tan A cot A and minus cos A secant A? Secant A. Here answer is we know trigonometric lesson, value of tan A. Tan is written as tan A cot A minus cos A secant A. Tan A equal to sin A by cos A into cot A is reciprocal of tan, that is cos divided by sin, cos A divided by sin A minus cos A secant A is 1 by cos A. Tan A is sin A by cos A into cot A is cos A divided by sin A minus cos A secant A is written as 1 by cos. So here sin cancel, cos cancel, remaining 1. cos cancel. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So value of tan A cot A minus cos A secant A is 0. Next, 8th question. Eighth question. Find the value of find surface area of sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Find surface area of sphere. Sphere radius 7 centimeter. Here, first we know the formula. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Radius r is given. So, surface area equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi value is constant 22 by 7. R is 7. So, 7 square. That is also equal to 4 into 22 by 7. 7 into 7. 22 into 4. 88 into 7. 7 8 the 56. 5 61 centimeter square area. Here, find surface area of sphere radius is 7 centimeter. Surface area formula is 4 pi r square. Here pi value is 22 by 7. R is 7 centimeter radius. Pi value 22 by 7. R is 7. So 7 square is 7 into 7. So 7 7 cancel. 4 into 22 88 into 7 is 616 centimeter square. Next, 9th question. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha and beta. Zeros are alpha and beta. So for taking this question, first we know the formula of quadratic polynomial. Here solution is quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of the root alpha plus beta into x plus product of the root alpha beta equal to 0. Quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of the roots plus product of the roots into equal to 0. Sum of the roots are alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta into x. Product is alpha into beta. Alpha beta equal to 0. Next, 10th question. Tenth question is find the coordinates of the midpoint of line joining points. 10th one, find coordinate of find the coordinates of the midpoint of line joining points. 2, 3 and 4, 7. Here given points are solution. Points A 2, 3, B 4, 7. So 2, 3 is x1, y1 and x2, y2. So midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So x1 is 2, x2 is 4. 2 plus 4 divided by 2, comma y1 is 3, 3 plus 7 divided by 2. It is 2 plus 4 is 6 by 2, comma 10 divided by 2. It is 3, comma 5. So coordinates of the midpoint P x comma y is 3, comma 5. Points x comma y are 3 and 5. Here points A and B are given. A is 2, 3 and B is 4, 7. So x1 y1 and y x2 y2. So formula midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So 2 x1 is 2, x2 is 4, y1 is 3, y2 is 7. So 2 plus 4, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 plus 7, 10 divided by 2, 5. So points, coordinates of the points 3, 5. Coordinate of the points 3, 5. Next, 11th question. Third term of AP is third term of AP. Third term of AP is 13. Second term is 8. Find first term. Find first term. Here given terms are solution. Third term of AP. Third term of AP is third term is A3 is 13 and second term A2 is 8. So A3 is written as A plus 2D and A2 is A plus D equal to 8. So equation 1 is A plus 2D equal to 13 and A plus D equal to 8. So solving 1 and 2, we will get the values of A and D. So A plus 2D equal to 13, A plus D equal to 8. So subtracting the equation 1 and 2. Here minus A, minus D, minus. So A cancel, plus 2 do it minus D. Plus 2D minus D is D. 13 minus 8 is 5. So D equal to 5. So after taking D value, we have to find out A value. So in equation 1, A plus 2D is 13. Equation 1, A plus 2D is 13. So we had already got the values of D equal to 5. So A plus 2 into 5 equal to 13. A equal to 13 minus 10 is 3. So first term is A. Find the first term of AP. Question is third term of AP is 13, second term is 8. Find the first term. First term means A. So we have to write the question. Third term is A3 equal to 13. Because second term is 8. A2 equal to 8. A3 means A plus 2D is 13. Second term A2 is A plus D equal to 8. So the first question, second question. So solving equation 1 and 2. Here both values A and A are positive. So we have to subtract the equation. A get cancelled. Plus 2D and minus D is D. 13 minus 8 is 5. So D value is 5. Next we have to find out the value of A. So we have to substitute value of D in equation 1. A plus 2 into 5, 10 equal to 13. A equal to 13 minus 10 is 3. So A is first term. So first term A equal to 3. So next question. Write nature of the 12th question. Write the nature of the roots if the discriminant is 0. Write 12th question. Write nature of roots of quadratic equation. Write nature of the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Value of discriminant is 0. Value of discriminant is 0. So solution, if discriminant delta equal to b square minus 4ac. So delta value is greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct. So second condition, delta value is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. Roots are equal. And third condition is delta is less than 0. There is no real root. So your question is, write the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Value of discriminant is 0. So value of discriminant delta is 0 means roots are real and equal. So second condition is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Delta equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If delta is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Less than 0, there is no real roots. It is imaginary. Write the coordinates of the point. Next question. Write coordinate of the point which divide line joining points. Joining points A x1 y1, x1 y1, B x2 y2, internally in the ratio 1:1. So solution is, first we have to find the formula to find out the line which divides the line joining points ax1, y1, bx2, y2 internally. We have to use section formula mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the section formula we have to use for finding the ratio coordinates points. So here x1 value, y1 value, m is internally in the ratio. So m is 1, n is 1. So 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 1 plus 1, comma 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 divided by 1 plus 1. That is, here 1 into x2 is x2 plus x1 divided by 2 and y2 plus y1 divided by 2. So this is the distance formula. Write the coordinates of the points. So coordinates of the point is coordinates of the points x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Coordinates of the points which divide line joining points ax1, y1, bx2, y2 internally in the ratio 1:1. Here m is 1, n also 1. So section formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus 1. In the place m and n, we have to substitute the value of ratio 1:1. M also 1, n also 1. So the equation is x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Next, second 1 mark question. 1, 2, comma. First question, which of the following is in AP? Which of the following is in an AP? Here 4 answers given. First answer A 1, 2, 4, 8. B answer is 3, 7, 10, 14. 3, 7, 10, 14. Third answer is 1, 4, 9, 16. And fourth answer 5, 9, 5, 9, 13, 17. So which of the following is in AP? So for finding AP, we have to see the difference is constant. It is difference is A2 minus A1, which is constant, or A3 minus A2. So in the first answer 1, 2, 4, 8, here difference is not constant. 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 4, 4. So difference is not same. Second question, 7 minus 3, 4, 10 minus 7, 3, 14 minus 10, 4. So here also difference is not same. Third one is here square number. Here also difference is not same. So in fourth question, difference between two terms, 9 minus 5, 4, 13 minus 9, 4, and 17 minus 13, 4. So answer is fourth. That is 9 minus 5, 4, 13 minus 9, 4, 17 minus 13, 4. So Fourth answer is correct. Answer is 4. Next, second question. Degree of polynomial p of x. Degree of polynomial p of x equal to 2x square, 2x cube plus 3x minus 11x square plus 6 is. The options are, first options 2, 3, 6. Two. B is 3. C is 6. D is 11. So degree of polynomial means highest power of the value. Here x power is 3, here x power is 2 and x power is 1. So highest power of x is 3. So degree is 3. The second answer is correct. Next question. Third question. Third question is, quadratic equation among the following is. Quadratic equation among the following. Following is. So first is x plus 2 equal to 0. B question is, answer is x into x square plus 1 equal to 0. Third option is x into x plus 1 equal to x square, and fourth option is x into x plus 1 equal to 0. So answer, in the first equation x plus 2 equals to 0. So here x power is 1. So it is linear polynomial. In second equation x into x is x square plus 1. This is x square plus x equal to x square. X square, x square cancels. So second answer is not the solution. In third, x into x square is x cube plus 1 x. So this is cubic polynomial. So x into x square, x is x square plus x equal to 0. So it is of the form. Quadratic equations means the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the answer is fourth one, D. X into x, x square. This is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So before solving this question, standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So first answer is linear. Second answer is here x square cancelled. So this is only one term here. And in B, x into x square is x cube. So it is cubic polynomial. In fourth answer, x into x is x square, x into 1 is x equal to 0. So this is in the form of quadratic equation. So answer is D. Answer is D. X into x plus 1 equal to 0. D is the answer. Next, fourth question. Correct relation among the following. Correct relation among the following is. Here 4 options again. First is A tan square theta equal to 1 plus secant square theta. Option B is sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. And third option cot theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Divided by cos theta, and option D is sin theta equal to 1 by secant theta. So in trigonometry we have learned the formulas of tan square theta equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus 1 first question. Second question is cot theta equal to sin by cos, and third sin theta equal to 1 by secant theta. Here cot theta equal to cos by sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta. So this is not the answer. Third one is not answer. Sin square theta equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is the correct relation. Next, fifth question. Fifth question is probability of impossible event is probability of impossible event. Therefore option A is 1, B is 0, C is 0.5 and D is 1.5. So probability of impossible event is 0. Second is the answer. Answer is B, is 0. Probability of possible event is 1 and probability of impossible event is 0. Next, 2 marks question. We are now, so next second 2 marks question. 2 marks question. So first question is find the number of terms, find sum of first 20 terms of AP. Find sum of first 20 terms of AP. Eleven, 14, 17, etc. using formula. Sum of first 20 terms of AP is given by Sn. Answer is Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here given terms are A is 11, difference is a2 minus a1, that is 3, and n is 20. So Sn equal to S20, 20 by 2, 2 into 11 plus n is 20 minus 1. into difference is 3. So 2 1 there, 2 10 there, 10 into 22 plus 19 into 3. 22 plus 57, that is 10 into 79 equal to 790. S20 equal to 790. Here question is find sum of the first 20 terms of AP given 11, 14, 17 using formula. Here first 20 terms means n is 20. In this sequence first term a is 11 and difference means a2 minus a1, that is 14 minus 11 is difference, 17 minus 13 3 is difference, and a means first term 11, n is 20. So formula is Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the value of a 11, d 3 and n 20 in this above equation. So S20 is 20 by 2, 2 into 11 plus n is 20 minus 1 into difference is 3. Here 2 10 are 20, 2 11 are 22 plus 19 into 3 is 57. So 10 into 22 plus 57, 7 plus 2 9, 5 plus 2 7. So 10 into 79 is 720. So sum of the first 20 terms of AP are 790. Next question. Find the distance between the point 5, 6 using second question. Find distance between points 5, 6 P 5, 6 and Q 1, 3 using distance formula. Here solution is points are given P 5, 6 Q 1, 3. So x1, y1, x2, y2, and distance formula is d equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x2 is 1, x1 is 5, 1, 5 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. 1, 5 is 4 square plus 3, 6. 3 minus 6 is 3. 16 plus 9. That is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So distance between 2 points 5 units. Find the distance between point P 5, 6 and Q 1, 3 using distance formula. The solution is P 5, x is P 5 is x1 and y1 points. Q 1, 3 means x2, y2. So distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 is 1 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9 is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. So distance between point P and Q is 5 units. So next class we will solving the remaining questions. Thank you.